Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was up 0.1% today. Friday and today, we had similar action right at the end of the day that drove the market from negative territory into positive territory. It's pretty interesting. Today, the market was down. There was a report coming out from manufacturing. It was a little bit softer than expected. And the market, was selling off just a little. And then it rallied back up because we're in this weird time frame where bad news is good news because when you have softening in manufacturing or if job growth slows down or what have you, then you start to see, more reason for the Fed to lower rates, and maybe, less inflation would be the other, kicker if we can get that from this also. Of course, there is this tipping point where too much bad news is bad news because then we start to worry about company earnings and recessions and those types of things. So we're kind of in between right now. And so you're seeing a couple of different battles going on, as you see these, reports come out as far as that goes. This week is actually a fairly important week. I call this jobs week. We have first time unemployment claims, how many job openings are still out there. And then, of course, the big jobs report on Friday for last month. The last jobs report was kind of a catalyst to the upside. There was less jobs created than expected. Of course, again, at that point, we're still in that bad news is good news arena because of inflation. So we'll see how this plays out here as far as that goes. Of course, the Federal Reserve meets next week. Not expected to do anything, but the words that they use will be watched very carefully. His press conference that Chairman Powell has afterwards is usually important to listen to. And then, of course, the minutes that come out to see what people were thinking about during that meeting. So anyway, that's what's going on right now. I look forward to being able to see what's going to happen tomorrow. We'll talk to you then. Thank you.